Hello. Um, it is extremely late or early in the morning here, and I am just now getting a chance to come on and talk a little bit about the paper bag journal that is super, super simple to make. So this is the one that you've seen that I have posted in the group. And this is up for a giveaway, so look for the post where you can just simply post a scripture about resurrection and what that means to you, and then you will be entered to win this journal. So let's talk about the things that you need to put the paper bag journal together. Of course, you are going to need a lunch bag, and this is just simply, a lunch, just a school lunch bag. So one of those, and you are going to fold it into thirds. So you're going to fold it and kind of make sure that they're even. And then I do have, if you notice here, there is a little bit of space here, which is going to be okay because that's where your signature is going to go. So once you have it folded, then the next thing you're going to do is, and I only have one hand because I'm holding my phone with the other. Normally I hook up everything, but I'm not doing that now. I'll do that later. But right in this section of your bag, you're going to just put some glue. So I just use, this is the glue that I use. It is a, it's Scotch Create glue pen. And what I like about it is I can use a fine tip or I can use like a sponge on this end. So it has two different applicators. But you're simply going to put your glue right along here in your bag, right down here. You're going to do that all the way down. And then for this part of the bag here, I don't glue it because I leave this as a pocket, so you'll be able to tuck something in there. And I'll show you how to do that in another video. But the important thing right now is just simply gluing the sides of the bag down. And you're going to do that on both sides of the bag, just down this area right here. Okay, and so once you have that done, you can set that aside. And in the video, you will see me using a lot of double-sided tape. I love using double-sided tape. I know many use just regular glue, but I am a fan of double-sided sticky tape. So grab some double-sided sticky tape or your favorite glue or both. I'll be using both. And then for the kit that the mini kit that Marcy has made for us, what I did with that is I actually printed it 2 per page. So when I fold it, let me get this open here. So all I did was print 2 per page, and I folded it in half, and then I'm going to trim off the white area around the edge. I just haven't done that yet. And I am going to, with this one, I'm going to have lots of pockets with this one because once I trim it, I'm also going to then fold it in half like this. And then I'm going to seal the ends. I'll seal this end, and then I will also seal the end here, which then it's going to leave a nice little tuck spot at the top. So I'll be able to tuck something in. Let's see if I can do this right here. So the side, this side here will be sealed down the edge, but I will still be able to tuck something in from the top. So that's the way I'm going to do this one. I didn't do that with the first one. I made this one, but I am going to do it with this one because I want some extra pockets in there. So print out the kit and fold your pages in half, and then fold them in half one more time after cutting off the white edge. So just fold them in half so that you're going to end up with something that looks like this. And then find your favorite scrapbooking paper, whatever you have that's going to coordinate with it. And what you're going to do is, let me see if I can do this with one hand. So what you're going to do, don't look at my mess on my desk. I did not clean it up. So you're going to measure from the top to the bottom and then across. So you're going to measure across and here. And you're going to use that measurement And you don't want it to go all the way to the edge. So there's a little bit of space there. If you can see, I've got a little bit of space around the edge of my journal. See, there's a little bit of space. So this is the scrapbooking paper, and then I've got the little bit of edge. So you want just a less than 1/4 of an inch, about 1/8 of an inch all the way around. That's what I'm doing. If you want to do it edge to edge, that's perfectly fine. Whatever you like, but I wanted some of the bag to kind of show through a little bit. So, so you're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and out of those 6 that you need, you will need 1 as a front cover, 1 as a back cover. Okay, so you will need 6 pieces cut to size for whatever your bag is, out of some type of coordinating scrapbooking paper. And the other things that we'll use along the way is the distress ink. I love distress ink. If you have a bone folder, it will make make it a little bit easier for you creating those seams. Let's see. I have another kind too, and let me see. I can't find it. I lose my stuff so easily. And then you can also use a circle punch. We're going to punch little tabs, and I'll show you that in the next one, or in one of the videos. May not be the very next one, but we're going to use this on the pockets that we will have. Okay, and then I just simply started cutting out. I did print. Let me grab it over here. Put this out of my way. So I did cut out all of the little cards. These are so super cute. I love this design. Really, really super cute, really pretty. So I cut all of these out because I'm using them as journaling spots. And so what I did is, the last one that I made, I put whatever the decorative one. So I'll put this on one side, and then I will put some lines on the back. Now this one, mind you, the lines are this way, whereas the front of it is kind of that way, but it really doesn't matter. And you don't have to do line pages on the back. You can actually just, if you have the scrapbooking paper that's not double-sided, or even if it's double-sided and you like to use the other half, you could use, and this is probably the paper pack that I'm going to use. So let me just, this one might be, yeah, here we go. So this is what I do with my scrapbooking paper. I'm going to just lay it on here like that. And then I'll put pockets across the bottom, so then my journaling cards will go in my pockets. Hi! Didn't think anyone was up this late, but so yeah, so fine coordinating scrapbooking paper. And, you know, I picked this up at Tuesday morning before they went out of business here. So we don't have a Tuesday morning here anymore. But I picked this up. It was, you know, $6.99. What I like about this is that it is not double-sided. I don't like when it's double-sided and I'm using it for something like this. I feel like I've wasted the paper by putting one of the pretty sides glued down to something. That's just me, but everyone has their likes and their dislikes. So this is what we need to get started with our paper bag journal. And in the next video, I'll come on and I'll show you some other things and list a couple other different things to help you in putting together this paper bag journal that is super, super simple, and it is just really quick to put together. So have a blessed night, and God bless everyone, and I will see you the next time.